welcome back in week 4. In this week we are going to discuss how to change the style of the list in unordered list and ordered list in HTML. So at the end of this lesson this week, you will be able to know how to choose the list item of the unordered list and how to use the type attribute in the ordered list. Now, as you know, in the unordered list, we can choose the marker here, like square, like circle, and in ordered list, we use the numbers, we use the uppercase and lowercase, as shown here. Okay, here we can use bullets with circle bullets, and also here with a square, and if we don't want to add any bullets, or if we want to remove it. And in the ordered list, we can use the numbers, we can use uppercase letters and lowercase letters. We can use Roman number and lower Roman numbers. Before we started, I would like to talk just briefly about CSS. What is CSS? CSS is a language that describes the style of the HTML document, stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS can be added to HTML elements in 3 ways: inline, internal, external. In our lesson today, we are going just to know how to use the style attribute in HTML elements. So, in the unordered list, HTML, if we want to choose the list item marker, we need to use the CSS this property list style type to define the style of the list. Okay, so we have here the value and the description. This one for DISC, which is default, circle if we want to change, square, and if we don't want to add any list item marker, if we don't want to add anything, just we need to add none. How to work with the style attribute and this property? Let's open Notepad. I will start here with HTML. Don't forget to close it. Okay. Then start with the head. Don't forget to close. Then in the head we need to add the title. Then don't forget also to close it. Now the title I want to add, for example, list, change the list style مثلا, change list style. Okay, now after the head we need to open the body. Where we can add the list in our HTML web page. Don't forget to close the body. I prefer to close it directly. In the body, now we use, for unordered list, we use which tag? Bravo, unordered list, close it. And each item should start with li. Bravo. I will add the first item, for example, coffee. And we need also to close it. And also to close the unordered list. Now, to change the style, in the opening tag of unordered list, we need to add style attribute, then don't forget equal. Now, how to add the CSS property? Go back. Where is it? Here. You need to add list style dash type property, list style type in the value, list dash the equal sign. We usually use it as a minus in Microsoft Office Excel, for example. List style, okay, type, list style type, okay. Then you need to add the colon, then which type you want. For example, I want circle. Go back, type circle. This is the style, and then close. After circle, you need to add semicolon. Don't forget this, and close the speech mark. Then file, go to save as. I will name it list style .html. Where do we save it? Here on the desktop. Click save. Let's open it from the desktop. Now this is the circle. If you want to change it, for example, to square, that's our style. Where is it? Open with Notepad. Just you need to remove circle, instead write square. Square, file, save, then double click. It will be changed to square, close. Now I will add, for example, here ordered list. Okay, I will add, for example, here also I should start with li. I will add for example coffee. Don't forget to close it, to close the tag. I will add another one or one more, and each item, as I told you, should start with li opening tag. Then I will use this is T. Then don't forget to close the list item tag, and at the end you need to close this tag. Okay, the whole ordered list, you need to close it by using slash. Just I want to add something. Let's add HR. What is HR? Do you remember? HR, to add horizontal line. I added 2 lines. Let's go save. save. Now listen, here if I have ordered list, like using 1, 2, 3, let's go back to our presentation, our PowerPoint. Here, if you want to add or to change the list style of ordered list, we need to use type attribute. Type attribute 1 for numbers. This one comes by default. If you don't add it, it comes as 1. The list will start with 1, 2, 3. If you want to change it, for example, to uppercase or lowercase, or uppercase Roman numbers or lowercase Roman numbers, just go and where is our, not this one, I think, yeah, this one. Okay, we need to use type. So listen, be careful. If we use unordered list, we use style attribute and this property lifestyle type, and don't forget to add list style type with colon, then the type of the marker list that you want, semicolon, okay, and the opening tag of unordered list. If you want to change the style in ordered list, we need to use the attribute type. So equal, go back, type equal 1 between quotations, A between quotations, choose whatever you want. For example, I will choose lowercase, okay? So between quotations, I choose the lowercase, then I already closed it, then go to file, save, okay, close, minimize, so this is our lesson for this week. Here we have type in ordered list. If we want to add the list with numbers, here we use the type A uppercase. If we want to add the list with uppercase letters, if we want to add lowercase letters, we use type small letters A between quotations, don't forget that. And this one, type equal like I. If we want Roman numbers and lowercase or lowercase Roman numbers, like this one as shown. I hope you like this lesson and try it with the assignment that I'm going to post it. And remember to check Google Classroom every Sunday morning and to submit your assignment before the weekend. And don't miss your ICT live session. Thank you for your listening and Ramadan Kareem. Bye.